Today I will eat pork steak here with the red wine sauce and baked potato. You can see a little bit smoke, it just come out from the oven. Okay. You can use the butter. Put here. It's still melting. Put here. More. Get better taste. So just wait until they melt. This red wine sauce, I buy the ready red wine sauce in the supermarket, so that warm is this good taste too. Very good. What do you think? I like to put the but I do like this, it's easier. So you will see it will look like this. So eat now. Like a lot of sauce like this. One time. The pork, I put the little black pepper, so when the sauce, when eat the sauce together with this pork, so the taste is mixing and very good taste. The red wine sauce is little bit sweet, not so much sweet. So when I eat with this pork and the taste is have little pepper, so it's mixing very good. So I like this. I like to eat the steak with the red wine sauce. Okay, one time. The pork good taste with red wine sauce. Okay, now the butter already melted, it's a little hot. So we try baked potato with the butter. This butter, little salt, and potato. Normally potato have the taste a little bit sweet, so when you eat the taste is mixing and good. So here this one. How big? Not so big, maybe one time. The pork is soft, so when you seal it, it's not so hard. You can chew very easily. Little bit butter. You can eat with this sauce too, because I like when you're dipping with the sauce. Good taste. One time. Hope you enjoy my food. See you. Bye bye.